Alright, hey, what's happening? This is Hans again with another instant noodle recipe time with yours truly, the Ramen Raider. I've reviewed almost 3,000 instant noodles. It's actually getting really close. Pretty soon I'll be saying I reviewed over 3,000, you know. We're down to like a couple dozen. Anyways, actually less than that. Anyways, I want to impart some of my knowledge onto you, so when you make your instant noodles at home, they might be a little cooler than they normally are, you know? Some tips. Nothing real groundbreaking, at least not to me, but you might be really stoked on it, so I'm going to hope that that happens. Today, we have this. This came can't talk today. This came by way of zenpop.jp. Anyways, they have subscription ramen boxes from Japan and stationery and junk like that. Check them out. Yeah, it's a pretty good deal, and you get a lot of stuff. And usually their packs have a theme to them. This was part of the Japanese ramen tour pack, and this is called Ise Ebi ramen. I don't know if it's Ise or what it is, but anyways, it's spiny crab flavor ramen from the prefecture, and it's spelled M-I-E, Mi Prefecture in Japan, and it's by Sapporo Ichiban. So anyways, of course you can see the lid. I've stripped the cup. I have to scan this stuff, you know, and it's important. So let's get this filled up. We got 3 minutes. Oh, I should have shown you before. Oh well. Let's see. I think, oh man, that's gonna hurt. There you go. That is a cup noodle all up in your face. And I'm just going to place this on top, like so. Actually, what's gonna happen, I'm gonna turn on the frickin' timer too. Come on, 1, 2, 3, go. And there it goes. Alright. Honestly, this whole thing about putting the lid on, I've really never understood it, because I mean, in 3 minutes, how much heat are you really gonna lose from a cup of noodles? I can't imagine it's that much, really. Getting rid of the excess, don't need that. But yeah, today we're gonna add a couple things. Nothing too groundbreaking, but things that I think would work okay on this one, and possibly people from Japan wouldn't be like, what's wrong with you? What do you do? Why would you do something like that? So, hopefully, yeah, this isn't a mistake. But we only have 2 minutes and 2 minutes left. So what's going on? Lots of cups. I've got so many cups. All these different Japanese noodle places. I should be getting another one from Zenpop soon, another one from Umai Crate soon, another one from Japan Ramen Box, and I want to say there's another. I want to say there's like Ramen Crate or Ramen Box or something like that. These are all subscription services where you can get instant noodles sent to your door from Japan. And then of course there are domestic ones. There's Gourmet Ramen Club, and there is Exotic Nudes. If you look in my unboxing time with the Ramen Raiders, you can find pretty much all of those and coupon codes and stuff. So, but of course I thank all these places for sending me this stuff, because it gives me stuff to review, and it's a lot of the times some pretty good stuff that I haven't reviewed yet. Actually, a lot of these videos that I've been doing have been stuff from Exotic Nudes, because they're doing stuff that I got a long time ago here in the States, and I've tried, and that I enjoy. But it's stuff that I know you guys probably are still kind of new to, which is okay, you know. How many people are sitting there trying 2 different unique instant noodles a day? I mean, it's pretty crazy. So, but, and how many people will just like keep trying new and don't just stop and go like, hey, I like Shin Ramyun. Hey, I like Shin Black. Hey, I like this or that or the other thing, you know. So, but yeah, I'm always in search of the new, and not that I have stuff that's horrible, but I just like to try new stuff. That's pretty much why I do this, especially stuff from different countries. Oh boy, that's fun. That's fun. I like that. All right, well, let's give this broth a taste. The spiny crab or spiny lobster? Spiny lobster. Yeah. Wow. That is of the sea. Very strong of the sea. Very salty. Ow. Shama. Hot. Oh man. Dump it in here. Why are you dumping it in there, sir? Well, because I like to do it this way. That's why. Needs a quick stir. Wow, that is... I don't want to say foul, but it's hard not to. It's really strong. It's got a funk to it. Let me put it that way. Oh, look at that. What are you... I'm gonna guess that is the spiny lobster. It's not half bad. That's the thing about stuff like this. It's like, oh, what's that? You know? So, I don't know. I didn't have any spiny lobster in my fridge, but I did have shrimp, and I thought shrimp might fit well. And honestly, since we're using what they like to call dragon prawn, I guess that's what they call isn't the Chinese translation of lobster dragon prawn or something like that? I can't remember. Somebody told me that. God, I want to go back to Asia so bad. I just pick up all these little interesting things here and there. I found that out. My friend Thomas in Malaysia told me that. I'm pretty sure. That's when we were in Penang. We went to a restaurant called Floating Seafood Paradise, and it was literally a bunch of docks that were connected together, and they had little pens, and it was Floating Seafood Paradise because you could just go, yeah, I like that mantis prawn. Hey, looks happy. Yeah, let's have that one, you know? Things like that. I mean, it's just like, wow. Can't get it any fresher than that. But that's where I had, what do you call it? We had crab. Like, crack open the shell. This is some shichimi togarashi. It's pepper blend. But you conk open the shell, and he was like, "Okay, dip your finger in there and swirl it around and eat what comes out." And it's crab eggs. I was like, "Oh wow." That's really, really, really of the sea. It was just like too strong for me, you know. And he was like, "Well, you know what? Asian people love that flavor. That is like the best." Like, okay, I'll do better. I'll try harder. Because honestly, that's what I want to understand. I want to understand what is considered like the best food in Asia. Unless I understand the palate, it's not going to happen. Wow, that's pretty. I like that. Look at that. Ooh. So anyways, I got to run this over, take some pictures, and so I got to get out of your hair. But yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, and this has been this one. This Ise Ebi. It's kind of like a spiny lobster miso. Anyways. So, if you like this, maybe you'll like these. Watch them. Watch them because you want to, not because I'm telling you to. If you don't have time to watch them, don't watch them. But if you would watch them, that would make me like ultra happy. It would help me out. And especially if you subscribe, that would be really keen and nice of you. So, alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every single day. Have a good one, and bye.